Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to check and change the amount of memory allocated to different mod packs inside of Prism Launcher, because sometimes your computer defaults to allocating less and you need to give it more. So the simple answer is click on the mod pack here inside your Prism Launcher that's already installed, go to Edit, and then you'll find the memory allocation down under settings in this left-hand sidebar. Here, you can see the memory option is checked. This is where you can increase the minimum and maximum memory allocation for this mod pack in Prism. So mine started out for this mod pack defaulting to 4,000 base memory and 8,500 for maximum memory. That's a good amount for a single mod pack. If you have more RAM, because you know you've got like 32 gigs of RAM available, you can bump this up a fair bit. Like you could say the minimum is like 6, and then we'll put like the maximum allocation to be like 9,000, and then we'll call that good. So once we hit close, that should remember my settings. So now when I double click to launch this, it will launch with additional memory. So I hope you found that helpful. This has been a quick look at how to increase the memory allocation or the amount of RAM you allow Prism Launcher to use when launching different mod packs from the launcher. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.